The ACA is a professional business and finance qualification offered by ICAEW. It's renowned globally as being a leading business and finance qualification and is something that will give you the skills that you need to succeed.
Well, ACA are fundamentally the letters you get after your name when you are a chartered accountant. It's the qualification is effectively, I'm a chartered accountant, and you get to say that sort of with passion and pride.
The ACA is made up of 4 key components. It's made up of exams. They cover a number of different subjects, including business strategy, accounting, taxation, audit and assurance. You also need to get 450 days technical on-the-job practical work experience. This is basically your day-to-day role. It's something that you're going to be being paid for as well whilst you're doing it, and your employer is going to support you throughout the whole process. You also need to be ethical, so we put you through a structured training in ethics programme. Finally, there's the initial professional development programme. This is basically a package that ensures that you have all of the skills in order to be a successful chartered accountant. There are a number of routes into chartered accountancy.
The school leaver route, you can come in as a school leaver with A-levels. There's the AAT route into the ACA, where you can take the AAT qualification first, and that will give you exemptions or credits towards the ACA, and you can fast track with your employer through that. There's a graduate route where you can go to university. Essentially, you can do any degree. You don't have to have a relevant degree, but if you do have a relevant degree, then you may get credits towards the ACA.
And also you can come in after completing our certificate in finance, accounting and business. Entry grades will vary depending on the employer that you look to start your career with. Typically our employers will look for a minimum of 3 GCSEs, grades A to C, and most of our employers will look for an A or B in maths and English. They'll also look for you to have at least 2 full A-levels, and these will generally need to total really a bare minimum of 260 UCAS points, although a number of employers are now beginning to look for 300 plus UCAS points.
You don't have to have A-level maths or have studied maths at a degree. It's numeracy skills that we're looking at. You need to understand numbers, but you don't have to be a maths genius.
You have to be good at talking to people. You have to be good at understanding what the numbers mean and be able to relay those numbers to your clients. And the ACA really makes you think about, okay, what do the numbers mean? How do I put them into practice? And how can I help my client do what they want to do to succeed in their business?
When you're training for the ACA qualification, you will develop a number of different skills. These are things like being able to use your professional judgment, that you're ethical, and also that you treat your clients with confidentiality as well. And you will also have a good commercial awareness. The ACA also will give you the leadership skills that you need to be able to give confidence to people, to follow in your footsteps and ultimately make the organisation that you work for a success.
The ACA qualification is a badge to say that you are one of the best.
But in essence, being part of something that has such a worldwide positive reputation means that you are associated with something that will open doors for you, give you standing from people who know nothing more about you other than the fact that you're a qualified accountant, and give you a head start in opportunities that might otherwise leave you with quite a challenging prospect.